Hi, today we'll make a cute drawing. So make this shape and guess what is this? We'll make a cat. Make its ears, then erase some lines. See carefully what oh, I erase it and repeat the line. Okay, then make two triangles and its eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay, then make body, tail, then obviously legs. The body is complete. Now you can add some spots on the body and add fingers also for detailing. Now guess what is this? Can you guess? The cat laying on the chair. Okay. You can draw also a sofa or any garden where the cat is laying. Draw as your choice. Now I make a mat. Add any design which you like. And this is a wool because the cat's favorite things, very soft things like soft balls, woolen things. So I make it. Beside them, make a pot. There are some flowers on the pot, means flower plants. Then making a curtain. Then draw a line which define the floor and wall. Then you can make a window also. Then you can color as your choice.